Amidst the gentle hum of early 20th century life, this postcard from 1913 captures a delicate moment, a pair of birds nestled among lily-of-the-valley flowers. The vibrant illustration, framed by the warmth of a pink background, conveys heartfelt sentiments of friendship. The handwritten message speaks of longing and connection, revealing a time when distance was bridged through words, even in the chill of winter. This card invites us to reflect on the timeless bonds of friendship. From the StereoViewVault.com.